During this afternoon's meeting of Metro Manila Council, 12 out of the 17 city mayors participated. All attendees unanimously agreed to declare a state of calamity in the Metro Manila.
There's a motion to declare Metro Manila in a state of calamity by Mayor Francis Zamora and by Chairman Don, seconded by Mayor Lani Cayetano. The motion is hereby approved that Metro Manila is now in a state of calamity.
It's important to note that mayors of Malabon, Marikina, Valenzuela, Las Piñas, and Parañaque were not able to attend the meeting. However, according to the ILG Secretary Benhar Abalos, their absence does not indicate a lack of support for the declaration.
Obviously, it's Malabon na medyo may problema. Of course, Marikina, si Mayor, may problema. Valenzuela, malaki din ang problema. Now, of course, affected din ang Las Piñas and Parañaque. I'm sure makikiisa sila rito.
With this declaration, local government units in Metro Manila can now utilize their respective calamity funds to expedite response effort for those affected by the widespread flooding. One of the hardest hit areas is Quezon City, where approximately 22,000 individuals, equivalent to 7,231 families, have been evacuated to evacuation centers. Additionally, 30 major roads in Quezon City are impassable, and 80 out of the city's 142 barangays are already submerged in floodwaters.
So meron po kaming mga evacuation centers talaga, pero napuno na po ang mga ito. Kaya napilitan na po kami gamitin ang mga simbahan, ang mga covered courts, ang mga barangay hall, ang mga paaralan po. Evacuation center na gamit na po natin.
They have also requested assistance from the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD for the relief operations in evacuation center and additional rescue boats. Navotas is also heavily affected, with 80% of the town experiencing flooding, and some areas have water level surpassing human heights. The floodway in the area was already damaged before the typhoon struck, worsening the situation.
Ito kasi po ang nakikita kong problema ngayon, no? Marami tayong evacuees, probably from Marikina, from Manaba, nakita ni Mayor Joy 22. Siguro magtulungan na lang tayo just in case hindi kayanin ng LGU yung evacuation. I could task MMDA right now na tignan yung ibang optional sites na po pwede at makisuyo sa ibang LGU hindi masyadong affected, yung mga neighboring. Magtulungan na lang po dahil I could just imagine kung dumiretso ito, kung saan tayo maglalagay ng tao.
In response to Typhoon Karina's onslaught, Malacanang has suspended work in government offices and classes at all levels in the National Capital Region, Central Luzon, and Calabarzon. In addition to Metro Manila, several other areas in the country have been placed under a state of calamity, including Pinamalayan in Oriental Mindoro, Cabacan and Pikit in Cotabato, and other area in Abad Santos, Davao Occidental. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.